friends, Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel, Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the charging speed test between both phones, iQOO 7 versus Mi11X device when you're trying to use the power banks. So I think yesterday I did upload a video on the iQOO 7 device in terms of the charging speed. It's not good, but that's not correct, friends, because I did use the application which has some kind of fault. But today I'm trying to use another different application where it will be trying to show you the exact results. And during this time of demonstration, I am using the Mi power banks 30,000 mAh power bank, as you can see, and Amaranth power bank which has a 27,000 mAh power bank. And both power banks, they can output the maximum up to 18 watts. So 18 watts of maximum output can be there between both power banks. And I'll be using the default cables which came along with the box with the both phones. This is the Mi cable, this is the iQOO 7 cable, as you can see, friends. So this test is going to be a little bit kind of longer than usual, so try to be patient and try to watch till end of the video to get to know complete results, which phone can charge with what speed by using two different power banks. So the reason why I included Amaranth power bank, because the Mi power banks, they might charge maybe the Mi phones faster. So that's what some users, they did say that kind of comments, but later I decided to use another power bank. So that's why I did bring the Amaranth power bank into the test. So let's see, friends, what will Amaranth power bank, will it make a difference or not? So first let me try to try charging using the Amaranth power bank, then with the Mi power bank in both phones. So I'm trying to connect right now. As you can see, this is the cable which I connected, and this is the Mi11X cable which I'm trying to use right now in this video. Let me try to bring up that application which I'm trying to talk about, so which is a battery charging monitor, so which will give you the really realistic results while you're trying to charge the phone, with including the graph as well. So this will be the really good advantage for this application. So here you can see the time, how much time you did try to charge the phone, and you can see the maximum and the minimum, and you can see the graph how it's increasing and decreasing during this time of charging. So it includes everything, friends. So now you can see the graph, it's trying to increase little by little, as you can see. So every time we should give some couple of minutes of time, so maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes of time to get to that maximum peak level. So right now, as you can see, friends, by using this graph, you will be able to see exact readings, what is happening. So this is the Amaranth power bank, so trying to charge the Mi11X device, as you can see here, and it's charging with a speed of 3000 milliamperes at this point of charging, as you can clearly see here. So you can see the charging speed, maximum and the minimum, how much it is, and you can see the battery capacity, 4520 mAh capacity, which is absolutely correct. And within 1 minute of time of charging the phone, let's see what will be the maximum recorded, and it's kind of close to 3000 milliamperes within 1 minute of time, as you can see, friends. It's slightly coming down, but you can see the maximum how much it reached. So now let's try with the iQOO 7's mobile phone with the same power bank. So it is iQOO 7 and it is the cable which I'm trying to use, which is of iQOO 7. So let me try to focus on this cable. So 66 watts cable, so which I'm trying to connect to the power bank of Amaranth, and is the Amaranth power bank. And let me try to quickly connect to the iQOO 7 device. So it is the phone and is the application, and let's see what will be the results in this iQOO 7 at this point. So right now, as you can see, friends, using this Amaranth power bank only, and it is the cable, so which is completely connected to the Amaranth power bank. So right now, let's give some time for the phone to detect the maximum speed. So you can see the graph, how it's going on, increasing and decreasing. So right now I was able to get 3393 milliamperes. So this is 30 seconds of time. So now it started to increase after 30-40 seconds, as you can see right now. So 900 milliamperes. So in my previous testing, when I did on the iQOO 7 device using the different application, so there's some problem with this application in this phone, so it did not able to show the highest speeds. So that's why I thought of making another video, but I did keep that video under the private, and I deleted the video previously which I uploaded on the iQOO 7, because the data is not accurate and it's not good to provide that video for the users. But these are the actual results you are getting, friends, in this iQOO 7 device. So this is iQOO smartphone, iQOO 7, and by using the 18 watts maximum charge output from this power bank, you will be able to get only close to 1800 milliamperes or 1500 milliamperes, as you can see. So this with the first 1 minute of charging, you can see that how much graph it increased. So whereas in the Mi11X device, it went up to 3200 and 3100 as well, the maximum, but here it's going under 1800 milliamperes, and the speed is also maintaining around 1500 milliamperes, as you can see right now, exactly 1500 milliamperes. So this is the test by using the Amaranth power bank, as you can see, Amaranth 27,000 mAh power bank. So this is the test which we got. So 1800 and 3200 in this Mi11X device. So now let's test using the Mi power bank. So let me try to keep this connected and I'm trying to change the cable from the Amaranth to the MI power bank. So let's see whether the MI power bank will be able to do the same thing, will be able to deliver the same thing or not. So that is what I'm trying to see. So it is a cable and which is completely connected to the phone only from the power bank. And let's see friends, this application will it show the accurate results or not. So my main point of making this video is that to show which phone will be able to support fast charging when you're trying to connect the power banks. So while charging the connector and the charger, obviously the iQOO 7 is a clear winner. But if you want to charge with a power bank, how much time this takes and what is the speed you're getting. So that is what my point of making this kind of video. And right now the graph started to increase, as you can see, little by little, and it's increasing. So 1200 and 1300 milliamperes and 1500 milliamperes, 1600, it went up to 1639 milliamperes, but it came down and remaining exactly at the same score which has the Amaranth power bank result, and it's decreasing. At least the Amaranth power bank was quite better. It did maintain around 1500 consistently for some time, but using the MI power bank, it's not working out for this iQOO 7. It's not maintaining, but you will be able to get this kind of speed, as you can see, 1200 milliamperes. So by using this kind of speed, definitely friends, the phone gonna take longer time than expected, maybe close to 2 hours to charge this phone if you use this kind of speed. So let me try to disconnect the cable. So it's been 1 minute and 30 seconds, still the speed did not increase. So I'm trying to disconnect at this point, and I'm trying to connect to the Mi11X phone. Let me try to disconnect this cable as well, and here's the cable for the Mi11X device. So let's see what will be the speed if you're trying to connect the Mi11X. So these are really interesting test, and it did detect the quick charge by using the MI power bank. So this is the cable, and the graph, it went up to 900 milliamperes. It's trying to decrease, but again it will try to increase later on once it's detected. So let's see how much high speed we can expect in this Mi11X using the MI power bank. So it went up to 2733 milliamperes, and it remained exactly 2700 milliamperes, as you can see, 2733. So absolutely friends, you are getting high speeds in this Mi11X device if you compare to the iQOO 7 in terms of the charging speed. You can clearly see the difference between iQOO 7 versus Mi11X device, how much speed difference is there. So that means the Mi11X supports the PD charging, and I think it supports the power bank fast charging as well. That is the reason the Mi11X was able to get this kind of high speeds of data by using the cable, as you can see friends. So this is a quick comparison, and make sure to comment below in case if you want me to test in any other condition. And still the speed is increasing. Actually it went up to 3263 milliamperes right now. I thought of disconnecting right now, but still it's trying to increase. As you can see friends, 3273. That's a really huge difference is there between iQOO 7 versus Mi11X device. So this is after the 1 minute and 20 seconds of connecting the phone. So overall friends, this is a quick graph comparison between both phones, and the clear winner is the Mi11X device with absolutely double the speed we are getting from the iQOO 7 smartphone. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is the test using only the MI power banks and Amaranth power banks. So maybe if you use really very fast charging power banks, the test might be different. So thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison regarding this aspect, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post a video as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.